It's all vegetable dish today at the garden, and we're cooking pinakbet the Ilocano way. Yes, Ilocano way, because it's a special day today here on Channel 1. You're watching Channel 1 Kitchen and Garden, a channel dedicated to garden to plate experience. In this channel we grow, cook and share. Let's join Romilo and Madam Grace at the garden. Warm welcome, thank you for joining us today here at the garden. It's a special day because it's our very first harvest of our ampalaya. Yes, precious ampalaya. Of course, to make this special, I'm cooking my most special dish, my heritage dish, which I'm sharing today. It is pinakbet. And I've been cooking this regularly, but there are comments, especially from the Ilocos. They say that the authentic pinakbet does not have sahog or awan ti sagpaw na kano kunada Ilocos. Puro kano nga natin, pure vegetables. It will be pure vegetables. The only addition we have to make it really authentic talon pinakbet is bagoong. And today, since I ran out of my Pangasinan's best bagoong, I'm using balayan from Batangas to see if there's a difference. So join me under the pergola and let's cook pinakbet, talon or farm style. And we also have fresh garlic harvest, and these are what we need. By the way, while preparing this pinakbet here, my man and Grace is also preparing pakak, ginataang pakak or breadfruit in coconut milk. Awan mo tisagpaw na. Yes, this is our national no sahog day. Join us, it will be fun. I'm trying this new format. I won't be saying anything, except that I'll be immersing the eggplants in water to keep them from turning brown. If you're wondering what our neighbors are talking about, it's about the medals the country has garnered in the Olympics. This may not be a regular format, but I hope you're enjoying the video and picking up something. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't miss any update by clicking the bell icon. Thank you.
Bijvoorbeeld al geplande medaille van Nederland, goud, dat wordt er niet zo. Met goud, dan had ik toch stiekem erop dat die goud dacht maar, dat kan je nou in godsnaam weten dat je denkt dat je gewonnen hebt en dat je twee plekken.
The preparation for this dish is very easy, that no guidance is necessary. Really, very easy.
Bij de tochtjes met de dames te doen, want ze houden niet van een peloton bereiden. Dus mooi. In ieder geval uit op die hitteomstandigheden.
And for best results, use very ripe tomato.
Ja, onze kandidaten van slot, geloof ik, in de jury, een van de categorieën, die dat uitgeslagen.
And voila, the ingredients have been prepped. Signature for this dish, no stir fry. We just have to add all the ingredients together. The bottommost, preferably the ginger and the tomatoes.
Zij was ook degene die in feite uit het vleugel wegreed. Of 2,5 minuut bleef hangen. En weer ingelopen werd. Dat was dan een beetje de feutushouding. Maar ja, man, dit is
Let's cook this inside. The neighbors might complain. And Manang Grace comes curious and eager to do it herself.
Tapos kasama na ta. Ito no mahap ko kasama to i-cast dyan. Itaop.
Itarap.
Tarap.
Manang nabali ni itarap.
Wan, agray. Yes. Kita ko umpan jay rabaw jay ko. Jay tano hanya madurgo. May tipan nakakona.
Yeah, this is good. We have to call her Manang Grace for the tasting. Manang, my God.
Yes, I'm coming.
Yeah.
Hey, naluto dyan pinakbet.
Yeah, taste mo man Manang.
Nagimas ni pinakbet ni Channel 1.
Yes, for the first time, walang sahog. And it
This vegetarian, huh?
vegetarian, purely or strictly vegetarian.
Yes, look.
Thank you for joining us today and see you on our next video. On behalf of my Manang Grace, just like